Continuous meetings, plans, jam-packed events either offline or online, and then we ask ourselves, why are we so stressed? Here are 11 ways of simplifying your life. Prioritize. Just make a list of 3 to 4 major things that you want to accomplish for the day. Don't overwhelm yourself with a lot of things to do. Choose your tribe. It's better to have less but more meaningful people in your life. So find the people who just answer you or the ones who are having a conversation with you, and you'll know whom to keep. Sleep. Insufficient sleep can lead to a lot of disturbances or turbulence in your relationships and leads to a lot of grumpiness. So have a good night routine. Do not use phones and do not read the newspapers before going to sleep. It's good to be updated, but there's a very fine line between knowing everything and consuming a lot of media. So switch off your phones at least 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep so that your brain is not active and is ready to sleep. No is also an answer. The next time you get a call or the next time someone makes a plan of meeting up and you're already overwhelmed with a lot of things, it's okay to say a no, but in a decent way. For example, just say, I'd love to, but I can't this time. Make time for yourself. Just try and take 1 hour in a day just to prioritize yourself. Most of the times I feel grumpy when I am not prioritizing myself and I am not channeling my energies for my own good. You can do whatever you want to do in this time. It could be gardening, it could be cooking, it could be drawing something, it could be taking your dog for a walk, or sometimes it's just not even doing anything. Maybe that's what you need. Reality and expectations. This needs a little shift in your mindset. Choosing words which are more comforting rather than something that is more competitive. For example, stability over success, love over admiration, and fulfillment over fame. Using these words can be less overwhelming. Bring home the colorful fruits and veggies. Try to limit yourself and don't get the processed foods and big buckets of ice creams. I'm not saying don't have it, but yes, once in a while. Try and get good, lush greens and colorful vegetables back home so that even if you are having a bad day, you end up still eating good meals. Now, because we've all started going back to work, finding and sorting the clothes one night before is going to reduce your decision fatigue. And yes, you'll have one less thing to do in the morning. Declutter. Understand the difference between need and a want. Need is something that you see, you like, and you require it. Wanting is something that just looks pretty on the market shelves. Getting home things that you just need would lead to less chaos and more clarity of mind. There are some videos that I have done to minimize the closet, which I'll link in the description box. Also, just try to minimize your decor so that you have less things to clean and to organize. Digital declutter. Unsubscribe yourself from the emails of various apps, eateries, and from some shops. Also try to reduce your media storage by removing the autopilot mode of the downloading. 15 to 20 minutes of exercising. Sometimes exercising for an hour long can be too much and exhausting. So sticking yourself to 15 to 20 minutes of exercising or moving your body in whatever form you like can make you feel accomplished. So these are my 11 top ways of simplifying your life. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in my next video.